In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Skool with Zapier. Now, it's not something you have to do, but I would recommend signing into your Skool account in advance so you don't have to do it later. But for the most part, everything we're going to do is on the Zapier side. So first things first, let's sign into Zapier. And what we want to do on the Zapier home screen here, or dashboard, is just go to Copilot and type in Skool. And now you'll see there's a few templates, but if you don't want to use a template, you can just click on Skool by itself. And now we have to choose a pairing app. So let's say we want to link it to Google Forms, for instance. We'll click on Google Forms. If we want Google Forms to be the trigger, leave it in the front. If not, click on Swap Apps to make Skool the trigger and Forms the action. I'm going to leave it as is and say connect these apps. And now when we do that, we'll be presented with a screen like this. And we need to, so now we'll click on Google Forms and we need to choose our trigger event. So what actually triggers Forms activating? So we can choose between these options. It's going to be different depending on which one you choose. I'm just going to choose this one because I'm not actually going to complete setting up the Zap. And then you need to log into your account. You can see I'm already logged in, but you'll just click at the bottom here and they'll ask you to sign in. Again, it depends on what you are connecting to Skool. And then we need to come over to the Skool side. We need to choose an event. So let's say it invites a member. Now we need to connect our Skool account. Now here on the account section, it's not to actually connect your specific account. It's to connect your community. And since I don't have a community, but I just want to show you what it'll look like. So it'll ask you for your community's API key, and it'll ask you for your group URL, which is the URL for your community. And once you've put both of these in, just hit yes, continue to Skool. And on the Skool side, it'll just ask you to confirm that you are making this connection to Zapier. And when you're done setting it up, you can do a test run here on the top. And if you're happy and everything is working, you can just hit publish. Remember, you don't have to connect Google Forms. It can be any connection. It can be multiple connections using Zapier. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.